here you can see the opcode is same and func3 is also same. How can we distinguish that? Read this statement and try to comprehend what it is saying. The statement at the bottom. So whenever we are shifting, performing a shift operation, so whenever we perform a shift operation, we perform that shift operation on register, right? And register is, what is the size of the register? 32 bits, right? Which means that you can shift a value only up till a value 31, right? There is no sense of shifting it beyond 32 times. Are you getting what I'm saying? Or do you want me to explain? Because it will help you. So instead of taking a 32-bit example, let me take an example of 4-bit number. Okay, so I have a number, 4-bit number, let's say 1. Okay, so how many times I can shift this number? I mean, how many maximum number of times I can shift this number? I can shift it to here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then what will it become? It will become 0, right? Sorry. If I shift it further, it will become 0, right? And if I keep on shifting, it will still 0, right? So that is the same case with a 32-bit number. We cannot shift a 32-bit number beyond 31 times, okay? Otherwise, it will make the result 0 and it will remain 0. So which means that we can shift a value or any register value 31 times, and that 31 can be represented in how many number of bits? This can be represented in 5 bits, right? So 5 bits are good enough. So which means that we do not need entire 12-bit of immediate data for shift left and shift right instructions. And this is what this statement says. Only lower 5 bits of the immediate are used for shift amount. 5 bits are enough for 32-bit. So for example, if we have srli, shift right logical immediate by 16, it means that you can represent, this value easily within 5 bits. So for this instructions, shift instructions, we have this format. So immediate field is reduced down to 5 bits only for shift instructions. We have discussed R format, where we do not have any immediate data, all operands are registers. Then I format, we have the immediate data like add I, or LW, SW, we haven't discussed SW instruction. So LW instruction, which has the offset value, we can represent that in 12-bit. And then the shift instruction. This shift instruction, now we have determined already that we do not need more than 5 bits to perform shift operation. So we split the immediate field for shift instruction into 5 bits and use the func7 field as it is. Okay, so we have the opcode, separate opcode for the shift instructions, and func7 field will help us identify whether it's a shift right logical left or shift right arithmetic. Shift right logical or shift right arithmetic. Okay. Any question?